Hello everyone, welcome to our channel 1-2-Step. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off captions on TikTok videos. If you want to learn more about this, please do watch this video till the end. If you're new to our channel 1-2-Step, do subscribe to it and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any update from us. So let's get started. So first we'll open the TikTok app, and as you can see, this video has captions. And if you do not want captions, what you will do is click on the captions. So like tap on the captions for a while, and then you'll click on hide captions option. Now the captions will not be shown anymore. If you want the captions to come back again, you have this option over here where you can turn on the captions. So there's this button over here, you'll click on that and the captions will be shown again. So that is it. So if you want to hide it, just click on that and hide the caption. So thank you for watching. This is it, guys. I hope you learned how to hide captions through this video. Leave a like if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel 1-2-Step. Have a good day. Bye.